Here we have our complex plane with the real axis and the imaginary axis. And we're going to start with just 1. And 1 can be thought of as a complex number with only a real part. It can be thought of as 1 plus 0j. And basically, that can be drawn like this. So 1 to the right and 0 up or down. Now, if we multiply that by j, we get j. Well, j is like 0 plus 1j, which is 0 in the real direction and 1 in the imaginary direction. Let's multiply by j again, and we're going to get j squared, which is -1. And -1 is like -1 plus 0i, which is -1 in the real direction. Oops. Multiplying by j again, we're going to wind up with -1, which is j squared, times j, which is -j, which is like 0 minus 1j. That would be down here, 0 in the real direction and -1 in the imaginary direction. And the whole point of this is showing you that every time we multiply by I, we seem to rotate this vector, or this complex number, by 90 degrees. That's kind of cool. Well, here we're starting with 1 plus 3j. According to our PowerPoint, when I multiplied that by j, I got -3 plus 1j. And let's draw a graph of that. So -3 to the left and up 1. It's going to put us right there. Let's draw that. Gee whiz. That looks like a 90-degree angle to me. Let's multiply this by j again, and this is in the PowerPoint, -1 minus 3j. That's 1 to the left and down 3, which will put us right here. And gee whiz, it looks like it's 90 degrees again. So long story short, every time you multiply by j, we wind up rotating whatever complex number or whatever vector we have by 90 degrees. And that, to me, is very cool.